Oh, talk about showers of blessing. There's a man cleaning out his ditch down the road, and we've had a lot of rain here on the mountain in the last few months, and so everything trickles down and fills up your runoff ditch. And so he was cleaning his out, and my husband went and asked him if we could have his what he's dredging. And he's for a garden, and he said, "Oh no, you don't want this for a garden. It's just rock and limbs and clay, and so it wouldn't do for a garden." So Bruce came back home and he told me, and I was so disappointed, and I said, "Did you tell him it was just for fill dirt to raise our beds up higher? Because we're going to have raised beds this year." And he said, "No." He said, "I'll go talk to him again." So he wouldn't talk to him again. He said, "This is not for our garden dirt. This is just to bring our raised beds up some. And we'll have good garden dirt on top of that." And so the man said, "Why, sure." So he brought his truck right then, dumped us a big old dump load of, it is clay and there's branches and rocks in there. But hey, I am thrilled because we are starting over brand new this year on a piece of property that does not have a garden spot. And so we're going to have to build it from scratch. And here it is, January 4th, and we were needing something right away so we can get up and running in February or March. March 14th is typically our last freeze day around here. So I want to be ready by then. And so y'all rejoice with me at my treasure. You can find treasure anywhere you look. Thank you, Father. Thank you, YouTube.